I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to unhide a Facebook post from your timeline on an iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Apple iPhone or iPad, navigate to the hidden post on your Facebook timeline that you want to unhide, and then tap to view that post. Step 2. Tap the ellipses at the top of your iPhone or iPad screen to open a menu, and then tap Edit Privacy in this menu. The associated menu opens. Step 3. Tap to choose who you want to be able to see this post. Choose Public if you want this post to be visible to anyone on or off of Facebook. Choose Friends to make it visible to only your friends, or you can choose to make this post visible to specific friends. Tap Done after making your selection. The visibility of this specific Facebook post will be changed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.